What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money online by using an AI robot. And this is a really cool way to make money on the internet. Now, the website I'm going to be showing you today, people are making insane amounts of money, as you can see on the screen, and you can potentially get a slice of this pie. And that's what I'm going to show you exactly how to do today in this tutorial. Now, this is going to be a few simple steps, and I'm actually going to take you through everything that you need to know step by step, and we're not going to miss out on any information. So by the end of this video, you're going to know exactly what you need to do, and you will not need to go and create your own website for this particular method, because I know that that can be very complicated. So we try to do methods where you don't actually need to go and create your own website. And you can get started with this for completely free. You will not have to spend any money to start this particular method on how to make money. Now, what can you expect from this tutorial? This is going to be a quick and easy 15-minute guide showing you all the steps that you need to know to learn this particular method that I'm about to show you. We like to keep our videos as short as possible, but show you as much information as we possibly can. Now, a quick reminder, my videos are for educational purposes only. I do these videos to show you what's working for other people online, and there is no guarantee that you will get the same results or any results at all. Don't forget to subscribe, because I bring out videos every single week. Let's jump into the tutorial and I will show you exactly how to make money online. All right, guys, so the first step you want to do is go to a website called anyword.com, and this is going to be the AI robot that we're going to use to make money online. And if you want more information about this particular robot and how it works, then you can scroll down and you can find more information on their homepage. And what I'll do is I'll leave a link below. It's an affiliate link, and you can actually get a discount if you get this through the link. Now, there is a free version, so don't worry, you can actually do this for free. But if you find that this method works for you and you want to upgrade, then you can get it via that link. But if you want to get a free trial, hit the link in the description. Now, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be actually using this AI bot right now to go ahead and get started with this money-making method. Now, the first thing you want to do is click Start for Free and go through the process of setting up your account. It's quick and easy. I'm not going to do that because I'm actually already logged in. Once you're logged in, you're going to be taken to an area that looks like this. This is going to be your dashboard in the back end. Now, you can do lots of stuff with this tool, but I'm going to take you through specifically what we're going to be doing in this tutorial. Now, before we jump into that though, I'm just going to quickly go over a couple things that you can do with this, just in case you want to use this for anything else. You can do things like create Facebook ad copy, Google search ad copy, Pinterest ads, you can create headlines, you can create Amazon product listings, and this bot will create pretty much any type of copy that you need. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be going out and creating some copy, and we're going to be making money online by using this specific copy. Now, what I mean by copy, I mean copywriting. So this bot will go and create, for example, Facebook ads for you and do all of the writing for you, so you don't have to think of it yourself. So the first step you want to do once you've signed into this software is go and click on Blog Wizard. Now, keep in mind, we're not actually creating a blog or anything like that, so don't worry, you don't need to have your own website. This is just the specific step that we're going to be using to go ahead and create our content. Now, what you want to do is you want to go to New Blog, and this is going to bring up some stuff where we need to put in some information. What you want to do is you want to think of something. So we're going to be making money online via affiliate marketing. And I won't give away too much information yet, we'll get to that soon. But what you want to do is in this here, we want to describe what your post is about. Now, keep in mind, this isn't actually a blog post. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to write how to make money online with YouTube. Okay, I'm going to create content based around on that. Well, actually, the bot is going to do it for me. And industry, you don't really need to put anything down for that, but you could put something like online education if you want. And then scroll down to next. Okay. And what it's going to do is it's going to generate multiple titles that you can choose. And don't worry, this is all going to make sense in a minute. So what this does is it gives you multiple titles that you can use, and it gives you a score. Now, don't go just based off the score. Just do it based off the score and the way it looks. So for example, I don't really like you can make money online with YouTube. Here's how. I like something like how to make money online with YouTube, a step-by-step guide. So I'm going to choose that because it still has a pretty high score and I like the way it sounds. Then I'm going to go to next. Now, the next thing it's going to do is it's actually going to create something called an outline. Now, these are going to be sections. So for example, finding your niche, creating your channel, promoting your videos, earning your advertisements, and then selling shoutouts. So you can actually go and generate again, and it will generate them again, and you can keep going until you find something that you like. So just remember, these are actual sections. So this one actually looks a lot better. Planning your YouTube channel, choosing your niche, choosing your equipment, creating a channel identity, optimizing your videos, optimization options, promoting on other platforms. Perfect. So this is going to be our sections right here. Then we go to next. Then what it's going to do is it's going to create an intro paragraph for us. This intro paragraph is going to be an introduction in our blog post now. Remember, it's not actually a blog post. So just go read through this. Do you want to make money on YouTube? Do you want to quit your job and follow your passion? If you answered yes to either of these questions, then keep reading. So just go through that. We can actually change this stuff later. And that one has the best score and looks the best. So we're going to keep going with that. And then go to next. Now, everything here is done. We are ready to continue on to the next section. Now, you can do how to make money online, how to make money with affiliate marketing, anything like that. I'm going to go to continue to editor, and then I'll show you how to make all the money and stuff in a second. So here's our intro, and we can go and click start over and regenerate that intro if we like, but we're going to go to part 1. And what happens is every single section has the AI bot that will generate stuff for you. So we're going to generated text length medium, and we're just going to go generate. And it's going to generate part 1 for us. We don't need to do any work. So just watch it. It's going to do its magic. So before you can start making money with YouTube, you need to make a plan. Start with your channel name and logo. This is the first impression people have of your content. Now, if I want to go and do more, I can either click start over if I don't like it, or I can go continue. And we can create more content for the part 1. And then what I can do is I can just go and click like that. Okay, and you can keep doing that on that section. You can also edit it yourself and everything like that. Now we're going to go to number 2, and we're going to go to generate. I'm just showing you how this bot works and showing you how accurate it is in creating content. So it goes, the first thing you need to think about when it comes to making money online is the niche you want to run in. Once you have your niche figured out, do a little bit of research and make sure there isn't too much competition. So it's really, really smart, this thing. It's literally generating us content based on those specific parts. Then I'm going to go generate here and do the same thing. And I'm going to keep going, and then I'll come back. All right, so as you can see, I've gone and generated my sections right here. Now, we're not going to read through every single one because this video is now getting on in time. But as you can see, I have 3 sections here that I have automatically generated content for using this bot. I'm going to go and generate a little bit more for this part 7 because it's a little bit light. But I've generated all the content that I need. Now what I want to do is I want to go and scroll up to the top, and I want to go to this copy blog post to clipboard. Now the next step, what we want to do is we want to head over to Google and put in Google Documents and search that, and then go to Google Documents. What we're going to be doing, and then click blank, because we need a blank one. We're going to go ahead and paste all of that content into Google Documents, and you just want to kind of go and make some stuff bold, like part 1 and the title. Make it bold so it stands out a little bit. Okay, so kind of break it up into sections. You can maybe break some of this stuff up to make it look a little bit better and things like that. But let's just make all of this bold right here. Now, the most important thing here, though, is we need to make money with affiliate marketing. Okay, so let me just make this all bold, and then we'll get onto the next bit about actually making the money with this method. So we have this kind of like PDF now. So this will be a PDF soon once I actually show you the next step that we can actually use. So now what you want to do is we need to actually make money. So go to a website called clickbank.com and get your own account created. Okay, now on this website, clickbank.com, what we can do is we can find products that we can actually go and promote for a commission. So this book that we've created is about making money on YouTube. So what I'm going to do in ClickBank is I'm going to go down here and I'm going to put in YouTube, okay? And it's going to find products related to YouTube. Now, if we scroll down, there's one down here called Video Marketing Blaster, and there's also other ones as well. But this one pays you an average of $25 each time you get them a sale. And they've sold thousands of this particular product so far. Now, what this is this is a software that helps people rank #1 on YouTube. So this is the perfect type of product to put into a book where you are actually teaching people how to make money on YouTube. So what you want to do, and this this is the product here. You can check it out. Is you want to get your affiliate link, okay? So you want to go to here and you want to click promote, and you're going to get paid every single time someone clicks on this link here and makes a purchase, and you want to put it inside your affiliate book. So what I've done is I put in here, do you want to get your videos to #1 on YouTube? And then when someone clicks this, they go to that specific page. So it's actually redirecting to that page where if someone made a purchase, I would get a commission. Now, what you want to do is you want to put this throughout your book a couple of times. So at the top, maybe in the middle, maybe at the bottom. Then what you want to do is you want to clean up your book, make it look really nice and clean, and put some spaces and some paragraphs, and then go to File, and then go to Download PDF document. And what this is going to do is give you a free PDF document that we can now go and make money with, okay? And then here's the link right here. Click on this link and it takes us to that page just like before. Nice and easy. So now let's move on to how you can actually make money with this particular book that you've created. All right, so now that you have your PDF created, you've got your affiliate links in there, how can you actually make money online with this method? What you want to do is you want to go to a website called gumroad.com. Now, there's actually other websites you can do this with as well, but this is one of the best ones out right now. And what you want to do is you want to click Start Selling. Then when you click Start Selling, you're going to get taken into the back end. So go through all the steps to set up the account, and then you're going to get taken into the back end. Now, once you're in the back end, it's going to look like this. And if you don't really know what Gumroad is, it's a website where we can actually upload our online education for people to purchase. Now, we don't actually care if we make much money off Gumroad because we're going to be making money through the links in our affiliate offers. So what you want to do is you want to go to products, and then you want to go to new product. So I'm just going to name this YouTube 101 how to start a YouTube, how to make, and you can either click ebook or digital product. I'm actually going to go digital product, and I'm going to go down to price. Now this is in New Zealand dollars, but you can do whatever you want. Now keep in mind the price doesn't actually matter, and the reason is because in your book you're going to be making money from people actually clicking that affiliate link. This is where we're going to be making all of the money, okay? So you could try and sell it for a high price on here if you want, but you just want to try and give it away for as less as possible. So I'm just going to put like $2 or something, or $1 or $3. Now what you want to do is you want to go up and you want to go to Next, Customize. Now on this page, we're going to actually customize what we are trying to sell, okay? So, or give away or whatever you're doing. So first of all, you want to describe your product. All right, so what I've done here is I've just put, this is a training PDF on how to make money with YouTube. You would obviously want to do a better one than that. This is just a quick one. And then you've got a URL here, and then you've got upload images or videos. Now I don't actually have an image created, but the image would be right here. And you can use a website called canva.com to go and create a free image to put up on this section right here. And that image can be like, just an image of how to make money online or something like that. But you can put an image right here. And then there's a call to action, so that would change this little button here. And there's a few other things. There's a summary. You can add additional information and all that sort of stuff. Then you go to content and you can upload your files. So I'm going to upload the file here. So the file is uploading. So it's uploaded 100% right now, and now it's there. And then what I can do is go to checkout. You can actually customize the checkout page if you like, right? There's lots. So it's got the credit card information. You can customize whatever you like. You can add a discount code if you like. You can do whatever you like there. And then all you've got to do is click Save Changes. And this product is going to go and get uploaded to gumroad.com. And then once you actually, I'm not going to do that because I don't want to put this on Gumroad right now. But once you actually start getting payments and stuff and clicks, you can see the analytics here. So the views, the sales, you can see your payouts. This is just a fresh account that I started up for this tutorial. So you can see your payouts. You'll be able to see the library of all of your products that you have and purchases and sales and all sorts of things. But this is how you can go and make money online. So it actually has the product right here of that I created, but I obviously haven't uploaded it yet. But when someone buys that product, they're going to get that in an automatic download straight away. And then in that book, they're going to read it, and then they're going to click on this link, and they could potentially purchase this product or whatever product you have in there, and you could make money online with affiliate marketing. All right, guys, that's it. This is a very simple tutorial on how you can go and make money on the internet. Don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button, tap that notification bell, and I'll see you in the next video.